Alright, so I got into this groove. Now I just want to replace all the incandescent bulbs with the LEDs since I have them. So I just pulled out this front, all these passenger compartment lighting. Yeah, so it appears to be one bulb over there, one for the driver and another one for the passenger. So I'll show you guys how to take the cover off. It's not too difficult. It's just I'll show you in a video. It's pretty easy. All right, so the bulbs have been replaced. Let me just show you how these look. So obviously that's the door, center one. I just think they look pretty clean. Install was pretty easy. Obviously, just pull out the bulb, and for the LEDs you got to make sure the orientation is correct. So I mean, plug them in, see if they work. If they're working, they're fine. If they don't work, then just like reverse the bulb and just put it back in, and they should work if they're good bulbs. So yeah, I'm just gonna put the cover back on, and then I think that's about it. So the cover's back on, everything's back to how it was. Let me just see how this looks. Yes, looks pretty good. Looks pretty clean. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So in order to remove this plastic cover, you have to take a small screwdriver. There's two tabs. I mean, there's two holes. I mean, let me see if I can focus. You see this small gap? Yeah, I mean, it won't let me focus too much, but there's a small gap on that side. There's a small gap right on this side as well. Just feed your thing in and just pry it out. Little by little. Pry it out. Yep. Prying it out. Prying it out. Yeah, the cover's out. There you go.